Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Northeast Lover. Today we are going for a picnic at one of the famous and beautiful place known as Switzerland Park here in Kathmandu. Just hearing the name, you must be excited, right? So let's explore and see how amazing this place truly is.
I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a
The journey to this place itself is an adventure. Located little away from the hustle and bustle of Kathmandu, Switzerland Park is a perfect getaway for those who love peace and nature beauty.
so don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Did you notice? I saw you.
This place gives off a foreign countryside vibes, surrounded by lush greenery and fresh air. It truly lives up to its name, a hidden gem that reminds you of Switzerland.
Go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
Switzerland Park is the perfect spot for a picnic with family and friends. If you love adventure, there are small hiking trails here that nature's lover must try. A picnic is incomplete without good food, right? But if you don't have your own food, there are local stalls where you can enjoy some Nepalese food.
So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way.
Switzerland Park is truly a place that can refresh your soul. It's the perfect combination of nature, peace, and adventure. Alright guys, so we have reached the place and this is the entry of our head chef. And once we reached here, everybody was busy working, preparing for the breakfast. And as you can see, we had done some of our layout perfectly, which looks so beautiful. And here's our head chef preparing for the breakfast. So for breakfast, we are making puri, and everybody starts working there. And look, good cooperation there, right? So not only boys, every girls also started to work here right now, and as you can see in front of me. Okay, some of them are leaving. Okay, some of our chefs started preparing tea, and there is the oil for puri to fry. And here goes the first puri down there, which looks so yummy, right? And here comes our beautiful chef and our head chef too, preparing for the puri. Hi. Okay, okay. Alright, so once we finish our preparation, and here we start taking our breakfast. So we have egg, we have puri, and everyone is excited, and we are hungry too, since we haven't eaten anything in the morning. And as you can see, everyone is busy taking the breakfast, which looks so yummy. And here's our head chef. And here comes our Mr. Ansari. Okay, serving to our chefs. We are really thankful to him And after our breakfast, everyone was like busy and cutting vegetables, preparing for our lunch. Okay, some of them are busy on taking pictures. Here's our potato for French fry.
You give like French fry?
Here's our papa. A mushroom. It looks yummy, yeah? Okay, almost our French fries are ready. Okay, some of our vegetables. And here comes garlic. Carrot. And orange. Some onions. We have paneer. Everyone is preparing. Everyone is working out there. Okay, we have watermelon and orange. So we are preparing a mocktail here. So everyone was excited to have a mocktail. All right. Okay, so it's almost, our mocktail is getting ready, as you can see. And here is our chef, the main commander of the mocktail. And as you can see, 90% of our mocktail is done out there. Everyone was busy. And once the mocktail is done, I came first for the taste. Let me check this. Alright, so all of our friends came together and we came to reveal the mocktail. It was so delicious and so good. Okay, our head chef is quite busy serving mocktail to the beautiful lady. Okay, maybe she likes it more. Here it comes. Enjoyed it. Okay, everything's getting ready. Here is a fish, some chopped tomatoes, and our French fries is already getting ready down there in the pan. Alright, so we got some fresh cream. As you can see, it looks so yummy. And our meat is getting ready. As you all know, a picnic without meat is impossible for a Nepali person. Okay. And that's me, but busy on frying fish. And some of our friends, some of our chefs are busy on dancing. Some of them are busy on standing. And this is it. Look at this. Okay. And me, not only working out there, I'm just enjoying the music. I know I cannot dance, but sometimes I love to dance by side, not in front of the people. I feel like कौन है भाई, कहाँ से आते लोग. Alright, so 3 of our friends are in action right now, as you can see. It looks like not less than a hero. And it's time to take a picture. Every of us with our uniforms, we take a picture. I will obviously keep that picture at the end of this video. Okay, so after picture, we had a short musical break.
जुनी जुनी भरिदा लाग्ला है टाढा टाढा छ राजको चितले बल्झेर किनेर बोलेर बजेर नाच्न गाउन लागेर नाच्न गाउन लागेर यो मन उड्यो झुन्तारा छुन झुन्तारा टाढो छ आकाशै बाँड्न सजिलो होला मन बाँड्न गाह्रो छ यो गाउँमा यो ठाउँमा फुल्दो रहेछ रे यो गाउँमा यो ठाउँमा मगमगाउँदा फुलहरू फुल्दो रहेछन् रे मनका कुरा मुखमा ल्याए सिमसिमले भरे बोल्दो रहेछन् रे बुनाउने फुल बुनाउने पैसालु भमरा डुल्दो रहेछन् रे टडक चढेसी मजा आउला रेलीमै टडक चढेसी सम्झना बिर्सना साला ला 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 झन् झन् बढ्यो बिर्सना साला ला 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 सम्झना बिर्सना साला ला 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 झन् झन् बढ्यो बिर्सना साला ला 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 मायाको डोरीले तिमीलाई बाँधौला मायाको डोरीले तिमीलाई बाँधौला दिलको मोटर कारमा तिमीलाई चढाउला सम्झना बिर्सना साला ला 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 झन् बढ्यो तिर्सना साला ला 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 रातो चोली पाखुरीमा तिमीकै माया बस्यो आँखामा झिनेकै रातो चोली ल यार कसैले क्ल्याप पनि गर्नु पर्यो यार म त मोबाइल छुरे त क्ल्याप यार कम क्ल्याप आँखैमा गाजरु लपकै भन माया लाग्यो कि सपकै भैसैमा भैसैमा मर्छु पो क्यारे भन सोधी बरोबर नलागी भन सोधी मान्छेले ल्याइरहेछ रमाइलो छ नि त सोयाको ढोको सानो माया लगाउने ढोको पुग्दै मर्छु पो क्यारे भन सोधी बरोबर न ढाटी हे भन सोधी बरोबर न ढाटी.
Alright, so after a short musical time, it's time for our lunch, and as you can see, all of us are getting ready, and such a delicious lunch has been prepared by our chef, and all of our friends are very excited, taking full of plate, as you can see. Okay, have some snacks. Okay, everyone is quite busy. Fish. The Lama is quite busy taking fish out there. Okay, we have lots of items. It was so delicious. So everyone is on cue. Alright. Okay, so our friends are quite busy taking lunch here. This is like so delicious. Okay, our Lamaser is enjoying. And here comes our head chef in action. Okay. and it's time for me to. And after our lunch, some of our friends were taking picture out there, so I just went there with my action camera. And after our lunch, we just decided to go to a place where they called it Heavendara, and with five of our friends went out there to visit that place, and let's see what actually the place is about. They called it Heavendara, and we were really excited to visit that place. So we just took out some times, and five of us went there. And this is it. Look at this, guys. The place was so beautiful. Since it was not the spring season, the area around was not so green. The view was awesome. The view that we can see from our naked eye from that place was so beautiful. All those towns, all those cities, the Kathmandu villages look so beautiful. And here's our guys taking there. I'm taking a big drone video, and here is me having some fun out there because the place was so beautiful. And here is our Hira groom. Run, brother, for your life. Okay, this is how we had fun out there. Okay, and four of our friends, including our chef. Okay, so this is the real view of that place, Heavendara, when it is like in the spring season. I took this video from someone else. I'll put the link on the description. You guys can obviously go and visit the original link of the video. I am not the owner of this video, but I just put it so that you guys can have a look, right? So after that, we went back to our location picnic spot, and there our friend was quite busy dancing there, enjoying with the music. And since it's a copyright issue, I mute it and put it on slow motion. And this is how our Ansarizo was quite busy dancing there, Komaria song. And that's it.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle.
Okay, this was just a mocktail, guys.
Send me on my way to you.
Don't think it differently, it's just a mocktail.
I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name.
And that goes one shot.
Leave me lonely, I'll show
Okay,
you another way.
everyone busy dancing, enjoying the music.
Something more than that. So don't
Finally, it's time for the meal, guys. So everyone is taking rice. I'm giving out the yogurt. And since it was evening, I was like hungry too. I don't have to wait. I started, taking whatever I wanted. I put lots of meat, you can see. And I'm a meat lover. So we don't have much time also, and everyone was like hungry, and I took as much as I can, and I started eating.
Did you notice? I saw you over there.
Alright friends, Switzerland Park is truly a place that can refresh your soul. It's a perfect combination of nature, peace and adventure. If you ever visit Kathmandu, this place is must see. So, how do you like today's picnic vlog? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys are coming here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Northeast Lovers. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, have a good time, stay safe, be safe, God bless you all. Till then, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Ravi the Northeast Lover. And don't forget to follow my Facebook page Ravi Tamang also. Take care and see you again.